In this next Measure Mobile video, we're going to discuss how to get your cuts off of Measure Mobile to put into BidPro. So there's a couple of ways to get your cuts. One way is you can click on Estimate tab here, and that will bring up that long roll of carpet, because remember, this is a 12-foot piece of carpet, okay, widthwise, and it's just one long roll, and it's cutting up each room. So you can do that and look right here if you'd like. It's not as easy, but I'll just show you real quick. So if you click on the first room, it's 3A. So let me zoom up so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so 3A, which is bedroom 1, that's a 10-3. Because this is not right here. Never look right here. Always look right here if this is what you're going to be looking at for cuts. This would be kind of a quick way to do it. Let's say you're in a pinch and someone just needs to know what the cut is real quick. Pull up your measure. You can click on that room. It's a 10-3. Done. And each area has the same thing. So bedroom 2 is a 14-3. But this is not the best way to do it. There's another way to do it, and it's much easier, cleaner, and it actually makes sense, especially in an area like this where you have all these cuts. You don't have to click each one saying, okay, what is this? What is this? So what you're going to do is right over here, this one here is called installation at the very bottom here. So you have products. I think this is worksheet. We don't really use these two. And this is for customers with proposals, but we're not quite there yet. But this right here is installation. So click on installation, and then you're going to get this next page. I don't want you to look at this page here because this doesn't really pertain to you right now. What you're going to do is you're going to click right here. This is a PDF file. This is if you wanted to email it, and this would be a PDF file. So go ahead and click the PDF file. And this gives you a quick rundown of what your job looks like. So here is our floor plan, and that's all it really is. It shows square footage per area. And then if you wanted to zoom in, you can to see what the actual box is, how big each room is, which is great. And I know some people really like that a lot. The next page is all the where all the seams are. So this is going to show all your seam layouts and what direction everything is laying. And this is where all the cuts are. So this first part is vinyl. So this is going to show the vinyl cuts. So remember, this is a 12-foot wide roll. Okay. So in this one, it's showing that 3A, which is right here, 3A, does the entry and hall. So entry and hall, that's the entry, this is the hallway. And then 2A, this other big section, is the kitchen, dining, utility. And then the smaller section down here is 1A, and that's bath 1. So the cut for this, how you would type it into BidPro would be 12, because it's a 12-foot wide roll of vinyl, because vinyl does come in 6-foot wides, but right now we're just talking about 12-foot wide vinyl, 12 foot. So you do 12 by 2710, because that's what this is. Group 1 is a 2710, and it does all these areas. So you would do 12 by 2710 does the kitchen / dining / utility. It also does bath, and it also does the entry hall. Okay. All right. So the next one is your carpet. This one's a little bit more complex because you got seams. You have different fills that are in here. So the first one is group 1, 3A. So that's bedroom 1. 3A is bedroom 1. It tells you right there. Okay. It's a 10-3. So you type in CPT semicolon 10-3. You don't need to put 12 by 10-3 because carpet the carpet we use always comes in 12-foot wide rolls. So 12 by, or no, not 12, sorry, just 10, 3, and that is BR1. So then comma, and then the next group is 1A, which is right here, and that's bedroom 2. And this group is a 14-3, so your next cut would be 14-3, and that is for BR2, and then comma. And this is the one that's really complex, and that's why this is such an easier way to read your cuts. This is going to lay out every area. So in this particular group, it's 11-1, so you would type in 11-1, and that does BR2 closet slash BR1 closet slash BR1 closet fill slash BR1 fills, living room fills, bedroom 2 fills. So anytime there is a B or a C in your cuts, that's always going to be a fill. Anytime you have an A, that is going to be the actual room itself or like a closet. So just so you guys know that as well. So if there's a 4A, that's the closet, and then the 4B would be the closet fill. So there's 2 pieces in there, so that means there's always going to be 2. The next cut is a 5A, which is living room, and it's a 13-2, so this cut would be 13-2 LR for living room. And that is how, and see, it's a cut plan right here. It makes your job a lot easier. So if you got any questions about this, please reach out to your market manager or director, or you can always reach out to me, and I will talk to you later.